Once upon a time, in a beautiful kingdom, there lived a kind and brave princess named Lily. She loved exploring the forests and valleys around her castle.
One day, while wandering deep into the forest, Princess Lily heard a loud roar. She followed the sound and found a large, terrifying monster trapped under a fallen tree. Oh no, you're hurt. Let me help you.
Instead of running away, Princess Lily the monster. With all her strength, she lifted the tree and freed the creature.
Thank you, kind princess. I thought no one would ever help me.
Everyone deserves kindness, even monsters. What's your name?
The monster, who had been feared by all, was actually gentle and lonely. His name was Thorn, and he had been hiding because everyone was afraid of him.
I've never had a friend before. Thank you, Princess Lily.
Princess Lily and Thorn sit together by a stream, talking and laughing. They share stories and enjoy each other's company.
Everyone needs a friend, Thorn. Let's go back to the castle together.
Princess Lily brought Thorn back to the castle, where she introduced him to her people. At first, they were scared, but when they saw how kind and gentle Thorn was, they welcomed him with open arms. From that day on, Thorn became the protector of the kingdom, and he and Princess Lily remained the best of friends. The kingdom learned that true bravery means showing kindness, even to those who seem different. And so, they all lived happily ever after.